वेलकम टू वेज क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली, सावूद आनी भलायकेन. And after seeing these ingredients, you must be knowing what I am planning to do today or planning to cook. And yes, this is after many years. It was, I think so, 4 years ago, and one of my YouTube follower had requested, and I could not do this. And it is mushroom biryani, quick and easy way mushroom biryani. So I am going to take 400 grams of mushroom, so 200 grams each packet. Now if you want to use only one packet, you can use, but I am going to use 2 packets for this recipe. Then I need basmati rice, which is I'm using this Dawat Pulao basmati rice for my biryani. 3 cups. It's around for 6 people. So 3 cups. I've soaked this, washed and soaked this and just kept it here. Then I need 1 cup of curd, 4 tomatoes, 1 big onion, 2 small onions, 4 big potatoes, 1 capsicum. This is optional, but you can use. Then I need some barista fried onions. So it is of like this size of onion. Few curry leaves, few mint leaves, and around to grind into fine paste I will use 3, and 2 I will use it when I am sauteing. So then I will be adding kitchen king masala powder, that is around 2 tablespoons of this kitchen king masala powder, and 1 tablespoon of homemade biryani masala powder. I will share you the link. Little bit of turmeric powder and little bit of coriander powder, salt to taste, lime juice, 1 lime juice, and that's it. Few I will be using adding. I will show you when I will be showing you how to make using cumin seeds and bay leaves and some of mustard seeds. So let's start. So please note down these ingredients. तर ही जावन आसा आमची मशरूम बिरयानी. हांव कोत्ता आयज क्विक आनी इजी वे. सो हे सगळे जे सामग्री हांवें सांगल्या त्यो मातशे सगळे तुमी बरोवन घेयात, पळोवन घेयात, कितें कितें जाय पळय तें, आनी जें जें दाखयता पळय तें तुमी करून घेयात. तुमचे स्टायलीनी तुमी करूं येता. आतां हे मशरूम धुवंक जाय बरे भाशेन, कित्याक ताका पळय ही माती आसा. ओके, ते बरी धुवून घेता, कातरून घेता बारीक. हेका पूण बारीक कातरूंक जाय, हेका पूण बारीक कातरूंक जाय. हेचे 4 पीस, एका पटेटोचे 4 पीस. एंड हेका हांव धुता आनी मागीर हेका हांव हळदी लावन, बारीक कातरून हळदी लावन भाजून घेता सेपरेटली. नाजाल्यार हे टेस्टलेस आसता, हेका टेस्टूच आसना मीठ घालून. सेम वे हेका पूण भाजून घेतली हांव सेपरेटली. Okay, so what I was telling them that wash the mushroom nicely, as there are some mud particles, and cut them into whatever size you want, fine, medium, or the whole one. It's up to you. And then fry it separately in oil and keep aside. Fry this also separately and keep aside. Chop these onions finely, tomatoes also fine, and potatoes. Of 1 potato I'm going to make 4 to 5 pieces, so depending on the size. So let's start. We'll add to this curd biryani masala powder, 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon. Tablespoon size is this, easily available on Amazon. Then we are going to add kitchen king masala, that is 2 tablespoons. For this quantity you need the masala. Then we will add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste in this, and we will add half teaspoon of hing. Salt to taste. So we'll add 1 tablespoon of salt. Some turmeric powder. That is around 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Half teaspoon of mustard seeds. We'll mix this nicely. We'll also add our lime juice to this. Kindly note, I am not going to add red chili powder to this. And our paste is, I have to grind the paste of coriander, mint and chilies and curry leaves. Also, if earlier I have forgotten to tell you that this is my measurement cup for rice. Even water, same measurement. Mix this nicely. So there is no lumps. So this is ready. We'll also add our mushroom now in this. Mushroom and capsicum which I have fried, and this masala. So we'll keep this for 30 minutes and then we will cook this for 4 whistles because potatoes need to be cooked in this. So that's why it is 4 whistles. I'll add little bit oil now to this. Just want to get the oil. So oil is this. So it is like around 3 tablespoons of oil to this. Let's mix this nicely. Tomatoes, onions, potato, capsicum, fried capsicum, fried mushroom, chilies. So we leave these for 30 minutes and then we will cook this. So I will be adding 2 cups of water to this now, and later I will add another 2 cups of water when I will be adding the rice. So don't get confused. Now after marination of 30 minutes, I will be adding 2 cups of water. So after 30 minutes, here it is 2 cups of water. I use the same of this. I will close the lid and give 4 whistles to this. High flame, 4 whistles. So 4 whistles are done. After 4 whistles, once it is cooled down, so what I'll do now, please not this all. I will remove some vegetables in this so I can put on top. I can layer it on top. So see, this much water is there. We have to add 2 cups more for that quantity. So here is our rice. You can add pinch of salt if you want, but I think so what I added, that is enough. 2 cups of more water to this. Then we'll add lime juice to this. Coriander leaves and pudina leaves. And I will put this also now on top of this. And we will add our fried onions. Half fried onions and half later to garnish. One curry leaf. I will add, this is optional, little bit of kasuri methi. So then we have our green masala. So that we get nice greenish color also. So this is less quantity, whatever we did, and just sprinkle like this on top, so we get green color too. Later we can mix all. Cover and give 1 whistle. And our biryani is ready. So we cover this. Anytime my whistle will come. So this is how that prestige cooker, Omega, the deluxe one. So it's come up. Now we'll get a whistle. Done. I put up the gas. Now I will keep this water over here, like a steam on top. Result I will show you later. So once the steam goes down, then I will open the cooker and show you. So here our biryani is ready to serve. So we can either mix or we can take it directly like this in our plate. Little bit of fried onion and some coriander and pudina. Enjoy this mushroom biryani, instant and quick. Thank you so much.